Hey guys, it's me here Vlogs, and today we're going to walk to the beach with Raven and Darling, and also Shadowly in my bag with an S on it. We're going to the beach to make another stop motion, and I'm really sorry about the bad sound right now, so yeah, we'll update you once we get to the beach, or if there's something else happening then before then. And we're nearly at the beach. Well, we still have to go down a whole load of stairs, but yeah, we're under Lee's right now. Yeah. So, see you guys at the beach. Hey guys, I can see the beach. We're nearly there. Okay, darling, off you go. Did you guys even see that? Let's do that again. Okay, so I've decided to make only a short stop motion, as I'm not really in the mood for stop motioning. I'm wearing my unicorn t-shirt, like I showed you in the last one, menu t-shirt. Yeah, got cherries to feed myself on. I could probably live here. I live like half an hour away, but yeah. That's half an hour walking, by the way. It's not half an hour by, like, oh my god. It's not half an hour by car, so it's not like really far away. We came here walking. But it doesn't hurt, it's just fun to slip down, look. Whee! Oh my god, that's a slide. Oh, guys, I'm going to show you my... did you see my pictures? I didn't like them. I'm going to show you a clip of my doll sliding down here now. Bye! Okay guys, so since this is the first go, they're both going to go together. Are you marked? Get ready, and go. Okay, that was not good. Okay guys, now it's Shadowly's turn. Okay guys, and now it's my go. So nice. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed our day at the beach. Yeah.